For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're tired of messy, slow tomato prep, this tool will change the way you cook forever, exactly the way it changed mine. The electric tomato strainer and sauce maker with a stainless steel body is built for anyone who wants faster, smoother, and cleaner results without doing all the hard work manually. With a 370-watt pure copper motor, a 9-inch funnel, and a high output of 198 to 352 pounds per hour, this machine turns heavy kitchen tasks into a simple, hands-off process. What I love, after using it for my own weekly sauce prep, is how stable it stays because of the stainless steel build. It doesn't shake, doesn't clog easily, and cleaning is way easier than I expected, thanks to its waterproof design. The adjustable trough angle is a small feature, but it made a big difference when I was making strawberry jam last weekend. No splashing, no mess, just a constant, clean flow of sauce. Add the heat dissipation system and quiet operation, and you've got a machine that feels made for real kitchens, not just showroom photos. This isn't just for tomatoes. You can run strawberries, blueberries, and mixed fruits through it for smooth jams and sauces. Whether you're making big batches for customers or stocking your home kitchen, the performance stays consistent. If you want a reliable machine that saves time, delivers clean results, and upgrades your whole cooking experience, this is the tool that does it. Every single time.